Back at you. Got some concords right here. They need a slight cleaning done to them. It's not too bad, and I'm gonna attempt to ice the soles, which I'll show you in a minute. Again, the soles aren't that bad either. The yellowing is typical, normal for 11s, 5s, 6s, but there's that yellow sole that I'm gonna be icing today. It's gonna take a while, and the sun is playing games, keep going in and out, so no telling how long it's gonna take me to get them done. At least if I can start on them, I'll be satisfied with that. So yeah, Concord's about to ice the sole. I'll be back with the finished product. Concords back. I was supposed to do a deep cleaning on these. You can't really tell from the camera, but I cleaned them numerous times using different methods and products, and that yellowish tint still is there. I figured the customer tried to clean them with bleach, which is a big no-no, because once you put bleach on your shoes, it has that yellow tint on them. But he said he didn't use bleach, that he used a different cleaner, so I don't know. But I also iced the bottom of these concords. As you can see, pretty clear. Came out pretty good. As always, I do a certain amount of sessions, and you can still see that yellow tint on this one better. I keep going until I feel like no progress is being made. There's the bottom, pretty clear, way better than what it was at first. I'll post a before and after picture as well in this video. And when I do ice, I ice, baby. And I send pictures to the customer, and I keep going until they tell me to stop. So this is where they were satisfied, which is where I stopped at. So again, icy soles on these concords. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.